What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm gonna answer a question from one of the viewer, Eric Sampson. The question is, I couldn't see how you activated the note expression. So I'm so sorry that I did not show you guys that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to turn on the note expression, and also I'm gonna add on a few things which you can use in your music production. So let's get started. For Groove Agent or any Cubase instruments, you can actually use the note expression to adjust the parameter of the note, and it is such a powerful tool. And sampler track is also a part of VST3. That is why you can use the note expression with the sampler track. I have this simple hi-hat pattern here which we're going to work today. If you want to open up the editor of the note expression, you have to come here and click on this box. Just double click on it, and then it's going to open up this editor. But if you didn't turn this on, when you double click on it, it's going to just delete the note. So you have to be careful with that. Alright, in order for you to turn on the note expression, like I said, click on this button and double click on it, and then you can go to note expression and you can choose the parameters that you want to affect with the note expression. There's a lot of options that you can choose from here. There's pitch, bend, aftertouch, poly, pressure, and so on. But most of the time I only mess around with this panning and tuning. So let's do panning right now. I'm gonna click on the pan first, okay? And now I'm gonna just drag it up. Okay, if you cannot move this one, you have to turn off the snap, then you can draw whatever you want. But since it's gonna be a panning and it's a short note, so let's just turn on the snap and just move it up like so. Okay, so when I move it up, it's going to pan to the right. Okay, so let's pan this one to the left. Yep, like so. Perfect. Alright, that's all. And the best part about the note expression is when you move it to the next note, it's gonna copy the same settings and move it to the other note. So see, it's still playing on the left since we copied the note with the left panning. So that is note expression, and we can also adjust the tuning for this one. Let's try with tuning. Okay, if you turn off the snap, and you can try that. Yep. For hi-hat, using the sampler track, if you want to just adjust the pitch of the hi-hat, I suggest you just do it by dragging it down to whatever note that you want. If you're using note expression, it's going to be really tedious because you don't have a correct value for you to adjust. So that's that. And like I showed here, you can adjust multiple parameters at the same time. So for panning, it's actually a green color like here, but if you want to change it, you can change it from this option here. You can have it at blue or whatever color you want. And so the one purple is the panning, and the one in pink is the tuning. So now when you double click on it, you can see both of these parameters here. Okay, so yeah, let me show you another example of using the note expression with sampler track. So this is a vocal chop. Let me show you how I chop this. This is the standard, if I'm not wrong, it's a Cubase stock sound. Okay, so I just chop it up to here, and then I pitched it to the right note, which is A. If you want to know how I do that, I go to the channel settings, and I like to, let me put it back here. So I just press the C note on my keyboard, and I'll hover my mouse to see what note is it playing. So you can see from here it's A. So what I did was I tuned it to the A note. So now when I press C on my keyboard, it's gonna play the correct C note. See that? Okay, so that's how you tune in Cubase. I've got the note in the right key. So now if I want to adjust this tuning, just turn on Okay, so I have adjusted this a little bit just for this tutorial. It may sound terrible, but this is for the video. Okay, I don't think I will ever use this sound, but I can use this as a transition sound effect, which is cool. So how I did that was same thing. I used the pitch bend instead of tuning. I'm using pitch bend right here instead of tuning because pitch bend will move subtly and tuning is not. I just want to make sure that it doesn't jump too much to a different note. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification and smash the like button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.